So what I really, really wanted to do was just create something that was different enough that people, when they walked by, it caught their eye, and they were drawn to it. They would go in and they would investigate. And it was just an opportunity for you to satisfy your curiosity. You see it and you're like, oh my gosh, like I want to go look at that closer. You go into the room, you walk up to the piece, and you notice like the colors shift. You notice all the crevices, all the drips, all the textures. You can walk into the piece and you can just be fully immersed in it. And that's really what I wanted, was just this playful, joyful thing that could take your mind off of whatever it is you're going through and just be present, to just be with the work, to be in that room, to just be fully immersed with everything that's going on in the piece, because there's a lot, and just allow your senses to kind of take over and have fun. Have a moment of just like pure curiosity, pure exploration, and just like, maybe smile, maybe like it's interesting, maybe hopefully, there's more questions that pop up in your mind. But I just wanted to allow people to just have something where, they could just have that little lighthearted moment of just being in something and not thinking about anything else. So that was kind of my intent. And I think that was definitely something that COVID kind of sparked when I thought about making this piece.